Well, hello again, and welcome to this week's broadcast. I am Anne LaFollette, and I am a surface pattern designer and an online coach, and I'm super excited to be here with you this week. This week, we are getting ready for my free mini course, From Doodles to Dollars. This is a fun, super valuable, and free mini course that starts on October 5. In the mini course, you will discover the step-by-step process of turning a doodle or a little sketch into a beautiful repeating pattern using the magic of Adobe Illustrator. And from there, the possibilities are endless. The industry is officially called surface pattern design, and it's the best kept secret around. If you've ever dreamed of putting your designs on fabric, creating your own stationery line, potentially having wallpaper or wall stencils, or your own sheets and towels, or even aprons and tea towels, this is the mini course for you. Now, this is the last time I'll be offering From Doodles to Dollars this year, so you don't want to miss it. Let's make 2020 count. Let's dive into how the From Doodles to Dollars mini course actually works and everything that you get in the program, because this is not your typical free, high-level fluff piece. This is an incredibly in-depth training where you will actually, if you follow along and you actually do the step-by-step process that I demonstrate, you will walk away at the end of the free mini course with a design that you can sell. So let me tell you all of the different things that you get. What you see on screen right now is the actual roadmap that shows you that we get started with video recordings that are going to walk you through a 4-step process. The first video is called Sketch and Import, and then you can see as you go further in the journey that you will image trace and color your work inside Adobe Illustrator. We'll create your pattern together in step number 3. And then you'll save and export your work so that you can actually import it into print-on-demand sites and a variety of different other resources that I will share with you so that you can actually turn it into a real product. Now, the recorded videos are not the only thing you get. I realize that you are unique and the way you like to learn is unique. And I certainly know that while I love to watch videos because they're a great way to learn, you can turn them off, you can experiment with your own design, then you can turn them back on and you can watch them over and over again. I have found over the course of the years of teaching this mini course that a lot of my students, including myself, really love written instructions as well. So here's an example of one of the guides that you will get that has step-by-step instructions that give you everything that you need to support you with the video lesson that you also received. So they go hand in hand. The video lesson goes hand in hand with the written guide. The next thing that's super important is that we have a clubhouse during the entire mini course, and it's called Anne's Art Club. And it's a private Facebook community that I've built over the last several years. And so when you join Doodles, it's really important that you don't forget to join Anne's Art Club as well. When you click the link below this video to enroll in From Doodles to Dollars, there will be on the thank you page a big red button that says Join Anne's Art Club. It's critical that you do that because I'm going to talk to you about the next 2 things that you get, and they take place inside Anne's Art Club, so you don't want to miss this part of the process. The community is also vibrant, it's incredibly engaged, it's a wonderful place to feel safe and to share your work, and I'm going to get into that next. During the course of the Doodles mini course, you are going to have homework assignments. Now, please don't worry. These homework assignments are meant to ensure that you're actually learning what I'm telling you and that you're able to actually follow along during the mini course so that you can achieve the goal that I have for you, which is to turn a doodle into something you can sell by the end of the mini course. So the homework assignments are very straightforward. I explain them in the guide that you get. And here is an example of what one of the homework posts will look like. And this post will be posted inside Anne's Art Club. And then you will click on the comments below it to upload your work. It's incredibly inspiring and very motivating to see what everyone is working on, and also to ensure that I can see what you are creating. So the homework assignments are super important and are a very, very fun part of the overall process. In addition, I will be live taking your questions. So what you see on screen right now is a typical Q&A post. This one is actually for October 6th. I'll be live for at least an hour to answer your questions. And those live Q&As, again, take place within Anne's Art Club, which is our private Facebook group. Now, one of the things that students rave about that takes place inside the mini course is what I like to call laser coaching or hot seats, or essentially live demos where I use your work and I help you move forward if you get stuck. Now, we all make mistakes. I certainly made tons of mistakes at the beginning of my surface design journey. So I want to demystify those mistakes for you by taking a piece of your artwork that you will send to me in email. I'll then go live with it and I'll show you and the rest of the students in the mini course how to fix the mistake, how to move forward, how to make sure that you are not stuck so that you can continue to move forward with your design. Just imagine watching me open up your design inside Adobe Illustrator. It's as though you're watching over my shoulder, and I will walk you through step by step what needs to happen next so that you get unstuck and you can continue to move forward. It's a magical way to teach, and it's actually a really magical way to also learn, and students rave about it. It's one of the favorite parts of what I love to teach, and it's one of the favorite parts that students love to both watch and learn from. Super exciting. And then finally, I will be opening up enrollment to my paid program, which is called the Pattern Design Academy, at the end of the mini course. So I want to be fully transparent with you. The mini course itself is free. You will get such incredible value by taking it. You're under no obligation to purchase the Pattern Design Academy at the end of it, but I want to make sure you know I will be speaking about it. Over 200 students have taken the program in the past, and they are the ones who are going to talk to you about it. They'll share their experiences, they'll share what they learned, they'll also share what they're doing now with their work, and each and every one of them is unique, just like you. And the possibilities in surface design are endless. As I said at the beginning, this is one of the best kept secrets in terms of an industry where you can have location freedom because you can draw and sketch and do your patterns from anywhere. All you need is a computer and an internet connection and some drawing supplies, a sketchbook, a couple of pens. It also gives you the ability to have financial freedom. I had a corporate job for 25 years, and then all of a sudden I lost it. I got laid off. And we live in very, very challenging times right now. So it's really important to make 2020 count. Learn this new skill with me, and then decide how you want to add to your existing income or your creative business, or start a new business as a surface pattern designer like I have. It brings me joy every single day. I jump out of bed because I know I'm going to be able to spend time with you and help you discover your path to a career in surface design. So click the link below, enroll today. We're getting started already inside Anne's Art Club with some warm-up exercises. So don't wait until October to sign up. Sign up right now and join us. I can't wait to see you inside. If you enjoyed this broadcast, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends about it. If you have friends who you think would enjoy this mini course, please tell them about it. The more, the merrier. It's going to be incredibly fun, and I can't wait to see you there. As I always like to say in closing, I am Anne Follette, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now, and I'll see you next week.